everyone, now I'm with Armytek new flashlight. It is the BEAR WRG. It is a EDC flashlight that is quite very interesting because here you can see the lens here. There are three types of light: white light, red light, and green light. For the white light, for the max lumens about 1,500 lumens max here, and for the max throw about 510 meters. For the red light, 130 lumens. It's about 70 meters throw. Green light, 180 lumens. It's about 70 meters throw. Okay. Red light and green light seems to be like floodlight. Okay. For the white light, it can throw very well. But in my opinion, for the white light, I think it still needs improvement because there are some rings in the beam. Okay, I will show you. Okay, the battery inside 21700 battery, 5,000 milliamp for the charging port. Okay, still the same as the other Armytek that use magnetic here, magnetic charging port. Okay, the same way. This is the charging port. Okay, if you want to charge the flashlight, okay, just attach it. Red blink doesn't mean it is charging. Okay, you have to unscrew the tail cap a little bit. Here, this is charging. Okay, it has to be red constant. If it blinks, it doesn't charge your flashlight. Okay, green is fully charged. Okay, this is what you should know. Similar to Armytek headlamp. This flashlight, what I like about this flashlight is here. Also, the indicator light on the switch, it will show you here the battery status and also show the temperature of the flashlight too. Okay, this is very good. Okay, okay, let's have a look at lumens data here. Okay, oh, the flashlight also come with the diffuser here. Okay, this is very good diffuser in my opinion. Okay, here is the lumens data here. Okay. There are three types of light for the white light. The highest mode is main 1,500 lumens. Here it say it lasts about uh after 6 minutes. Okay, 1,500 lumens will step down to about 600 lumens according to the information here. Okay. And for the main tree, it lasts about 2 hours 30 minutes, something like that. Main 2, 350 lumens, 5 hours 30 minutes. Seems no step down. Main 150 lumens, 30 hours. 5 fly mode, 0.5 lumens, about 30 days. And this one also has beacon 1,500 lumens. This one lasts about 2 hours 45 minutes. It also step down after 10 minutes. It will step down to 1,050 lumens. Okay. For the red light, 130 lumens. It lasts about 5 hours 30 minutes. That's the main tree. Main 2, 70 lumens, 10 hours 30 minutes, and main 1, 35 lumens, 24 hours. Firefly 0.5 lumen, 30 days. Okay. And the beacon, 130 lumens for 10 hours. For the green light, 180 lumens for the main tree, 5 hours 30 minutes, the same as the red. Main 2, 120 lumens, about 10 hours. Main 1, 70 lumen, 23 hours. And fly mode, 1 lumen, 30 days. Beacon, 180 lumens for about 10 hours. Okay, this is about the lumens data. Okay. The flashlight can withstand submersion 10 meters for 5 hours and impact resistance for about 10 meters. Okay. Charging time is quite long in my opinion, 5 hours 20 minutes. I think charging time should be shorter than this, maybe about 2 hours, something like that. Okay. Okay. Waterproof IP68. Okay. Here. This is about BEAR WRG. I don't know what LEDs are in here. Okay, there's no information about the LED. Okay, okay, let's talk about the UI of this flashlight. To use this flashlight, okay, you have to tighten the tail cap here. Okay, and okay, just there are two switch here. This is the main switch, and this is the side switch that you can select the types of light that you want. Now I'm at the white light. Okay, let me show you here. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. If you turn on the last memorize brightness, it cannot memorize beacon. Okay, this is the fly mode. Okay. Press and hold to adjust the brightness. This is main 1, main 2, main 3 here. You can see that there are many rings in the beam. Okay, I think this should be improved. It can give really good throw, but for the rings here, I think it's quite annoying. Okay. If you want to access beacon, just double click here. That's it. In my opinion, there should be strobe. Okay. If you want to exit beacon, just one press to turn off or double click to go back to constant brightness. Here, I will double click. Okay. And if you want to go to another types of light, the green one here, just slide the switch up here. This is green. Okay. For brightness level, this is main 1, main 2, main 3. Okay. Oh, it start with firefly first. Okay. Okay, this is about the green light. Okay. Slide this switch to go to red. Okay, here. The color mode also has memory function. Okay. This is very good. Red. Before that, fly. This is main 1, main 2, and then main 3. Okay, here. Look at the beam shape. Okay. I don't like this kind of beam because it's not clear and beautiful, but in the forest it is usable. Okay, I think Armytek should make the beam looks more beautiful than this, in my opinion. Okay, this is red light. Okay. Also, if you double click, you can get beacon. Okay. Very simple to use. Okay. If you want to lock the flashlight, there's no lock out function. Just unscrew the tail cap, something like this. Okay. And for the side switch, okay, for the side switch, in my opinion, you have to be very careful about sand, dust, and mud, okay, because they can jam this switch. Okay, here, this is the way you select the types of light. Okay, like this. Okay, so you have to be very careful. But I have seen in the manual it says something about cleaning the switch here if it is dirty. Okay. This flashlight also here it has diffuser. Okay, so that you can use for specific tasks like camping in a tent, car maintenance, something like that. Okay, this is very good. Okay, okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, everyone. Now I'm at the basketball court with Armytek BEAR WRG. Okay, it's a very interesting flashlight that comes with red light and green light. This is the lowest mode. Okay, the lowest mode, like the moon mode. Okay, very low. Okay, let's go to here. There are 4 brightness level. Okay, this is low mode. Okay, low mode. Okay, this is yeah, I can see the basketball go there. Okay, it's bright enough for walking around. Okay, the beam here, the beam, there are some rings in the beam. Okay, to be honest, I think the beam should be improved because I don't like the rings in the beam here. Okay, not ugly, but it's quite annoying, something like that. I think it can be improved. Okay. This is the level 2, okay, of the white light brightness. Okay, here, and that's the house. Okay, that's the house. Very good throw, but just some ring at the in the beam. Okay, okay, let's go to here, level 3 here. Okay, level 3. Maybe you can call it medium. Okay, quite good throw. Okay, here I can see things about yeah, maybe 100 meters away, quite clear. Okay. Not bad for long range. Okay. Let's go to the highest mode. Here. Wow, very bright. Okay. Very bright. And Armytek can control the temperature of the flashlight quite well. It's a real-time temperature control. Okay. This mode can reach up to 500 meters. Okay. I have tried it at 200 meter range. I think it's fine. Very good throw. Okay. You also get the beacon mode. Double click here like this. No fast strobe. Okay, just beacon like this. You can also use it with a diffuser. One click will turn off. Okay, it here. When you turn on again, it will turn on the last memorize mode. You cannot memorize beacon. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's go to color mode. Here, this is green. Okay, green. This is, I think, the highest of the green. Let me check. This is low. Okay, low. 3 brightness level. Okay, medium, high, something like that. Actually, also moon mode. Okay, this is the highest of the green. Very good. You can here you can see that the green beam can cover all the basketball court. Okay. Very good beam. You can use this flashlight for outdoor activities, camping, hunting, observing animal at night, something like that, or even in dark forest. I think it's very good. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's go to red. Yeah, this is the red beam, the highest. Okay, the highest. Wow. This is level 1. Okay, level 1, level 2, and then level 3 here. Okay, low, medium, high, something like that. Okay, not bad at all. Here. Wow. Very good. Things for improvement about this flashlight, in my opinion. Okay, I think it should have strobe. Okay, strobe. Let me go back to white light. Okay, here. Okay, it should have strobe mode. Okay, strobe mode, and USB-C charging port would be great. And for the beam, I think the beam, okay, should be improved because there are some ring in the beam. You see that here. Okay, the beam should be clearer than this, but for the throw, I have to admit that it can give really good throw. Okay, but overall I think it's a good flashlight. Sight is good. Okay, when you change the color of the beam, you have to slide the side switch, and I think the side switch can have a problem if you drop your flashlight on like sand or mud, something like that. So you have to be careful about the cleanness, okay, of the switch. Okay, something like that. But overall, I think it's good. Okay, it's good. Very good throw. Now I think it stepped down already. Okay. Armytek seems to control the temperature quite well. When it reaches about 58 degrees Celsius, it will step down. Okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.